What does success look like to you? Do you target a goal or an outcome? Do you want to feel accomplished? Or do you want to achieve wealth? Recently, we bought a farm in northern Sweden. An old house, a barn, a bit of land and forest in a village called Ruspelt, a village by the sea with friendly people and howling huskies. Stig, my husband, built a compost for the garden waste behind the barn. When we set it up, we almost stepped on nature's success. A small tree about 15 centimeters high. A seed that became a tree. Nature shares its property freely. We almost crushed the tree by stepping on it. Is a seed that became a tree a big or small success? How can we determine if someone else's success is big or small? How do we experience our own success? We replanted the small tree in our garden. When we look out of our kitchen window, we can barely see it. But the tree will grow. It has adapted to its new surrounding and loves the light. I check on the tree several times a week. When I look at the small tree in our garden, I feel good about nature's miracle and success. I'm happy watching the tree grow. I'm grateful to be part of the tree's journey. Nature has love for itself and shows it by growing a tree. Thoughts are seeds. I remember a seed in my life when I sat by a river in the mountains. A thought of having a business. I listened to the voice inside of me. It was telling me about a massage clinic. I hadn't received a massage in my life. I made an appointment for a massage, and soon after I applied for massage school. 4 years after the initial thought, I opened the door to my business. How do you feel about your success and accomplishments in life? Do you acknowledge yourself wherever you are? Or do you measure your success based on your paycheck? Measuring success differs from feeling accomplished in your life. What if your income disappears? What if the numbers in your business drop? In my past business, the bookings came in, the numbers went up, and clients healed. Brilliant success, but no feeling of accomplishment inside of me. I was busy. Too busy to acknowledge myself, express gratitude to myself, give myself credit. I wasn't proud of myself. I didn't practice self-love. After I moved to another country and no longer unlocked the door to my business every morning, I was empty. I no longer had a description for myself. My life without self-love was a card house, and it collapsed. Does nature acknowledge itself? Does nature show self-love and self-worth? Nature doesn't forget about itself. Nature accepted the space beside the barn and grew a tree. This is love. Has the tiny tree in our garden lost its identity because it moved location? No. The tree has loved and acknowledged itself before it grew out of the ground. I glanced at my closed business door for a while and overlooked the open window. The window that led inside of me. I learned to shower myself with love and find joy in writing, sharing my stories, and finding answers in nature. Loving yourself is for life. It's real. It's a deed that will make you feel accomplished. It sets you free and is yours to keep and yours to share. Thank you for taking the time and watching my video. I appreciate you. Stay healthy and safe. Take time to love yourself. Until next time.